In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a dashboard in Monday.com fast and easy. Monday.com is a fantastic platform for project management and team collaboration, and sharing your dashboard effectively can make a world of difference. Whether you need to share progress with team members or stakeholders, knowing how to do this efficiently can significantly improve communication and productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you need to start by opening your Monday.com dashboard. This is the hub of all your activity and data, so having quick and easy access to it is key. Once you've got your dashboard open, look to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Share. This is your gateway to sharing the dashboard with colleagues or clients. Clicking this will open up your sharing options. After clicking Share, you're presented with a couple of choices. You can choose to share your dashboard with specific team members, making it a collaborative space where everyone has the latest updates at their fingertips. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link. This is particularly handy if you need to give access to someone outside your immediate team, like a client or partner who doesn't have regular access to Monday.com. It's a quick way to broaden access without going through the process of adding new users to your team. Next, you'll want to think about permissions. Not everyone needs the same level of access, and Monday.com gives you the flexibility to control what each person can do with the dashboard. If you want someone just to view the information, you can set them to View Only. If they need to interact with or update the data, then granting editing permissions might be necessary. Adjust these settings according to the role and requirements of the person you're sharing with. Once you've set the appropriate permissions, it's time to send the link or invitation directly to the person or team. If you opted for a team member share, you can invite them directly through Monday.com, which will notify them via email that they now have access to the dashboard. If you've generated a shareable link, you can copy this link and send it over through whatever means work best for you, be it email, chat, or even as part of a report or presentation. There you have it. Sharing your dashboard in Monday.com is as simple and quick as that. By following these steps, you can ensure that your team stays updated and that collaboration remains seamless and effective. Remember, efficient sharing can significantly enhance your project management process, keeping everyone on the same page and driving your projects toward success.